In this video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing of a few needles that I've purchased recently. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. It's March 2023, and I recently ordered a few different new needles to try out, some interchangeables, and so I thought I'd unbox them for you and give you a look. I've got some Lantern Moon ebony needles, some Reflections lace needles from Knit Picks, a few Knitter's Pride needles, and some Addy Click rocket needles. So let me show you the Lantern Moon first. I bought two needle tip sizes in the Lantern Moon ebony. These are the US 7 tips, and I also ordered a set of 4s. And I ordered 2 boxes of cords, so the cords come in 2 packs. So I ordered a 40-inch and a 24-inch. This is one of the 24-inch cables. So I have given these a try. I'll have a separate video sharing my thoughts on these. The cords come 2 to a pack, and there's also a set of end caps and a tightening tool with the cord, so that's nice. So that comes in each box. Cords and then the tightening tool and the end caps. Next, I'll show you the Addy Click tips and cords. So I have already opened one of the tips and I have some knitting on there. Again, I ordered 2 sizes in the tips. So these are 7s here, and then I've got a pair of US 4. So these are packaged in this plastic packaging, like so, and nothing else with them, just the card that tells you a little bit about their company. So there's the tips, and I have knit with these for a little bit, so I look for a separate video showing my thoughts on these. But here's the cord. I ordered 2 cords, one 24-inch and one 40-inch. So these cords are this blue flexible material, like so. These are the rocket tips. Next, I'll show you the Knit Picks interchangeable Reflections lace set. So this is the lace set. It's got a needle tip in size 0, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, and 4. And then it also has several cords. So it's packaged with a plastic overlay. And it's got the how to assemble instructions on the back of that card, and it comes in this plastic case, buttons, Looks like, yeah, there's buttons on the other side that hold the cables in place. So it's a nice little plastic holder for it. It also has end caps and tightening tool in here, along with the cables, and then there are tips. So the cables are, well, it doesn't say, okay, here, yes. So it has two 24-inch cables, one 32-inch cable, and one 40-inch cable. And let me get the cables. The cables are quite flexible and very thin. So I have not knitted with these yet, so I will, once I've knitted with them, I will film a review video telling you my thoughts on them. I like that it all is packaged in a nice self-contained little set. And last, I'll show you the 3 Knitter's Pride needles that I bought. I bought one Zing US 7 24-inch needle. This is aluminum, and it's a fixed circular needle, so not an interchangeable. I have knitted with this, so I will film a video telling you what I thought about that. But these two I've not knitted with yet, so another 7 24-inch. This is the Nova Cubics Platina. So chrome plated, I believe, and it's a square needle tip. So I'm interested in how those feel while knitting. The cable seems not very flexible. Just initial thoughts. They do seem nice and pointy though. And then I ordered one of the carbons, again a US 7 24-inch. So there is that needle. Again, the cable is not very flexible, or it has a lot of memory anyway, so it seems like it's not flexible. But I've not knitted with these yet either, but as soon as I do, I will film my thoughts on those. So those are the 3 fixed circulars that I ordered from Knitter's Pride. So those are a few new to me needles that I've bought recently to try out. Look for the individual videos reviewing each of these soon. If you have any of these needles, let me know what you think of them. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful, and until next time, happy knitting.